Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Calvin. So today we'll be seeing about how to print a particular areas map in just 3 lines of code. So for that we need the package called as Folium. So for that I'll install pip install Folium, Folium. So since that is already available in my PC, it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Okay guys. So now let me show you what is Folium actually. So Folium is with the help of Folium we can make beautiful interactive maps with Python and Leaflet.js. Class Folium global switches, no touch is equal to false, disable underscore 3D is equal to false. Okay, we can also print 3D maps with the help of this guys. So let me show you how to print a particular areas map. For that, I've created a new Python file called as maps.py, and in that I am importing Folium. After importing Folium, I am assigning the map function to a variable called as m. We can take anything guys. I'll take pwg is equal to folium dot map, opening the brackets, and location is equal to opening the list. In the list I'm giving the latitude and longitude guys, so that it can check the value of that correctly. So I have found few latitudes and longitudes according in the latlong.net category, and I have found few the latitudes and longitudes of all the states in India. So let me take Telangana and show it to you. So the latitude is 17.12 something. I'm taking that followed by a comma, space, then the longitude, copy, paste, and then enter. So now I'll save this to a HTML file called as Telangana. So for that I'm using pwg.save. You can see guys, there is no file called as Telangana here. So now I'm creating it will automatically create a file for that, telangana.html. So you can see guys, there is no file called as Telangana, and I'm running the program now, run maps. So as you can see, the process finished with exit code 0, and you can find a HTML file called as telangana.html. I'm opening this file, and I'm opening this is a HTML program that we have, that our Python file has created, that is maps.py has created for the Telangana state. So let me open it with Chrome and show it to you. As you can see guys, this is the Telangana state, and it is showing us according to that location. So this is our Hyderabad. As you can see, it is also showing us the nearest airports and all in this with that. In the similar way, if I want to check it in other places, like I have Vijayapura here, you can zoom and check whatever we need. So we are able to see all the hospitals which are nearby, all the places, major places, but not all the places guys, like small shops and all that are not to be shown here, except the major things like hospitals. All the hospitals are being shown, some campuses, etc., airports, etc., are being shown, but not the small shops that you have nearby your home that are not to be shown here. So as you can see, this is powered by Leaflet and data by OpenStreetMap. So this is how we print the map of any particular place guys. Let me show you with another state now. Just I'm changing this to some other state. I'll take Haryana. Okay, Haryana. In the similar way, I'm changing the latitude and longitude for that particular state. latitude Control V, and longitude Control C, Control V. Okay. So you can see there is no Haryana here. Observe here, guys. You'll be able to see Haryana once I run this program. See here. It has automatically created Haryana. Hope you're able to see it. So this is the Haryana code, guys. So now I'll open it with the help of Chrome. And it is just pointing to the center of that particular state, guys, not at any other random place. So since it's pointing to the center of the state, we need to zoom out and see. So this is New Delhi, this is somewhere Haryana and all, Agra, Aligarh and all. So by default, guys, this is our India and this is our neighbor, that is Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, etc., all the countries. So this is how the actual map is, but once you zoom in, it is able to fetch the data with the help of the JavaScript code which is written behind. So as you can see, it is showing few major states, places which are available in our India. That is Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Prayagraj, Lucknow, Delhi, Kathmandu, etc. All the major places are being shown here. Once I zoom a bit, it is showing a few more major places due to the size constraint. And as you go on zooming, it is going on increasing the places that it can show us. Okay, guys. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Kaval. Thank you.